Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to explain how Capital One shopping rewards work and how you can save money or even earn gift cards when shopping online. Whether you're new to Capital One shopping or just curious about how the rewards system works. Let's get started. Capital One. Shopping is a free browser extension and mobile app that automatically finds coupon codes and better prices when you're shopping online. It also lets you earn rewards on certain purchases, known as shopping credits. When you shop at participating stores through Capital One Shopping, you'll see offers like Earn 5% back. If you complete the purchase through the extension or app, you'll earn shopping credits, basically digital reward points. Once you've earned enough credits, you can redeem them for gift cards from popular retailers like Walmart, eBay, and more. Just go to your Capital One shopping dashboard, click on Redeem Credits, and pick the gift card you want. To check your rewards balance, open the extension or log in to your account. Your credits and redemption history are displayed on the main dashboard, so it's easy to track how much you've earned. And that's how Capital One shopping rewards work. Super easy and a great way to save while you shop. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more money saving tips. See you next time!